Day 94 of my body transformation. Excited tayo mag-gym today. Pool kasi ang workout routine natin. Back and arms ang muscles na targeted dito. Parehas itong na-activate ng pahila na motion. First exercise is neutral grip pull down. Para sa upper back to, kailangan naka-flare out ang elbows para mas ma-engage ang upper back muscles. Second exercise is single arm isolated lateral row. Ito naman for the side part of the back. Dapat closer to our body ang elbows natin para lats ang matarget. Third is upright row. This is for the traps and mid-back. Wide grip tayo para hindi masakit sa wrist. Next is cable rear delt flies. This is for the rear delts. Gagamit tayo ng cuffs para hindi maging limiting factor ang grip natin. For arms, dumbbell curls for the biceps, hammer curls for the brachialis. Sa preacher machine natin to ginagawa para mas stable at iwas momentum. Sa current routine natin, wala nang paulit-ulit na exercise. Bawat isa sa kanila, may kanya-kanyang purpose. Kaya siguradong sulit ng effort natin at matutuloy-tuloy lang natin ang journey natin. Yan na muna ngayon, bukas ulit.